subscribe and like.
Let's eat healthy! Hi there, little friends. Did you know food is your body's fuel? If we eat healthy, we have energy to play, learn, and feel happy. But if we eat too many sweets or fried snacks, our body feels yucky. Let's sing to learn how to eat well. Fruits and veggies, such delight. They give me energy and help me feel right. Water and real food every day keep me strong in every way. Eating healthy helps me. When I eat good food, I feel so great. I run and jump and celebrate. My mind thinks fast, my steps are quick, and even my tummy sings a trick. Great job! But what happens if we only eat sweets or junk food? When I don't eat well, if I eat candy all the time, my teeth will hurt, it's not so fine. My belly aches when I try to run, and I get sick missing all the fun. Fruits and veggies, such delight. They give me energy and help me feel right. Water and real food every day keep me strong in every way. Colors on my plate has red, green, and yellow too, with strawberries, spinach, and some roasted chicken too. Fruits give me vitamins big and bright. Veggies help me grow just right. Rice gives me the bounce to play and run, and protein makes me strong. Oh, what fun! Remember, eating healthy isn't just tasty. It makes you strong, happy, and full of energy. Choose colorful foods, drink water, and take care of your tummy. Fruits and veggies, such delight. They give me energy and help me